It's been a long time since I was a consultant or made a consulting video. I spent 5 years in consulting, for those of you who don't know. 5 years in consulting, that's long nights, fancy suits, and more PowerPoint slides and decks than I would care to admit. If there's one thing I've learned, it's that half the work that junior consultants do could probably be automated. Now, with AI moving the way it is, that's not just a funny thought, it's a legitimate threat to the consulting industry. So, will AI kill consulting, is the question. Consulting has always sold three things. It's time, frameworks, and expertise. When I was in Big Four consulting, I spent days, sometimes weeks, pulling data, cleaning it, and turning it into slides that made executives comfortable with a decision that they've probably already made. And it's valuable work for sure, but it's also predictable. AI can do most of what junior consultants do. It can summarize reports, draft strategies, run financial models, and build slide decks. Tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini can create a market overview or SWOT analysis in seconds, and sometimes it's better than what you'd get from a first-year analyst. Firms know this. McKinsey, Deloitte, Accenture, they're all training their internal AIs to execute on deliverables. That means the traditional consulting pyramid that we know it, where juniors do the grunt work and seniors sell the work, it's breaking. Here's the catch. Consultants have never been just about analysis. It's about judgment, relationship, and influence. AI can tell you what's happening, but it can't read a client's ego. It can't sit in a boardroom and understand boardroom politics, and it doesn't know when to soften a recommendation because the CFO is in the room. The best consultants don't just find answers. They make people believe in them, and that's a real human skill. The next generation of consultants won't be replaced by AI. They'll be powered by it. Instead of spending 10 hours fixing slides, they'll use AI to generate drafts in minutes, freeing up time for real thinking. The consultant of the future isn't the one that knows the Excel formula. It's the one who can ask the right AI prompts and turn insights into action. Less grunt work, more judgment. Less process, more perspective. So, will AI kill consulting? No, but it's going to kill consulting as we know it. Firms that cling to the old model, armies of juniors building decks, are done. The ones that will thrive will be smaller, faster, and powered by humans who actually think. AI won't replace consultants, but consultants that don't use AI will be replaced. And honestly, after years of doing countless 200-page slide decks, it doesn't sound like that bad of a thing. If you're in consulting or thinking about joining, now's the time to leverage AI, not compete with it.